Hello, welcome to Babytrons. Okay, and today we'll be showing you a tutorial on how to create a web page and the text used in the web page. So let's start by simple creating a web page. Okay, so to create a web page I'll require a notepad. So to create a notepad, just go in new and take a text document which is a notepad file. Open it. Okay, so this is a notepad file wherein I need to type my HTML tags. So to open a HTML tag, I'll need opening of the HTML tag. This tag is basically open so that we can type an HTML code inside this tag. This is the HTML tag opening and this is the closing of the HTML tag. Now inside my HTML tag I need to create sections that will have the head section of my HTML tag and the body section. Now each HTML page or the web page contains two sections, that is the head part and the body part of the HTML page. In head part we basically mention the title and the meta content of the web page, okay, and in body part we do the designing of the website. So let's start a head part. Create a opening part of the head and this is a closing. So here comes my head tag, okay, wherein I need to create one more tag which will be a title tag. Okay, this is a complete title tag. Now I'll save this page before so that I can show you completely what the title stands for. Okay, so I just need to save this page as abc.html. Okay, I'm giving it as a HTML extension and all files. Okay, save. Now here is the page basically created after creating an extension. So I'll open it with a browser. You can see over here the path is declared of the page location where the web page is stored. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give it a name. For example, Babytrons. When I save it and when I open this page, you can see the path is replaced by the name Babytron. Actually this is the title what we have given for the page. If you don't mention the title, the page location of the web page is taken into the title. So this was a head section wherein we give the title. Now we create a body section. Okay, sorry, I did the wrong tag. Okay, now here we create a body section where all the designing take place. Now whatever we write over here will be fetched on the page. Okay, this is the full body part. You can see this text which I have written in the body part. Okay, now let's remove this text. Okay, let's remove this text and see nothing is there. So I'll start with a basic header. Okay, the header is simply okay. Now this is a header tag which will give the property of a header to the name Babytron. Okay, now header 1 is a tag name, okay, and 1 is the type of header it will display. So header 1 is the largest size of the header. So we have header 2, header 3, header 4 till header 6. So let's see what header 1 displays us. So this becomes a header which has the 1 size. Okay, if I turn it out to 2, it will reduce its size to header 2. So this is little smaller than the previous. So to make it a header 1, we'll okay, we'll put it to header 1. Okay, so this is how you create a web page, your head section and your body section. Whatever you do, the designing part you do in the body section. Now let's make use of one more tag and put the whole content in the center. I'll make the use of the tag called center, in which there will be other tags. Okay, so this will align. Okay, there's a mistake. Okay, so spelling mistake. Okay, so this will align the whole content in the center. Okay, now the good practice of writing a tag is to align the even codes in a systematic way. You can see the opening of the body tag and the code. Okay, so that the opening and closing is given in the one single line, so it becomes easier for the coder to get through the text. Thank you for your attention. We'll see you soon.